Yeah.
You gotta move over.
Yeah. We just had a hurricane tornado come ripping through here. Here's a downed tree in the neighbor's yard. This FPL we caught down early this morning. They didn't even know anything happened down here. And a lot of roofs got ripped off from our neighbors. A lot of downed trees. There's a lot of downed trees behind these houses on the lake. See these trees right there sideways in the backyard?
Oh yeah, I do know.
But there's a guy over here, his roof's up on the power lines. This guy's roof got ripped off between his two buildings. You can see the metal roof off his shed looking thing. Metal roof's totally gone. You see it? There used to be a metal roof going across. It's gone, the whole roof's gone. It's collapsed down. See this fence right here?
Oh yeah. Those big old things are leaning towards that guy's house, the big old trees.
There's a lot of damage that we're not going to be able to see. This guy got roof and siding all
It's all hanging on the power lines.
in the power lines. And the lady across for us.
The whole back of his place.
Yeah, the whole place is gone. Here's the roof all right here on the ground and inside the power line. And the front of her house is torn up. I'm gonna pull over. We got a crow in the street.
Oh, a tree. Is that a tree fall in their house? Yeah. Let's go check out the trailer park now.
Yeah.
See if Freddy's still out and give him a run. Oh, he can't. Yeah, he can't. He's in the front.
It's
He's out here. He's gonna need help setting them up.
This guy's shed. All his trees are on the ground. He's planted all those trees. His shed's in the backyard, flipped over the fence. Can't see my stupid mirrors are so big.
Oh my God! Look at the driveway. Look what happened here. Look at all the cars got blown into that yard.
I keep thinking I hear Reno, but I don't see her. Yeah, that sucks about your Jeep taking some hits, huh?
Yes.
Told you, let's keep that shit together. Well, I hope it was this little isolated area. It didn't go down on my house.
At least it's a roof that can be lifted on and off. Can't kill it.
What's going on with those trees? You can smell trees.
Yeah,
you could smell the chainsaws that were humming.
Usually they aim for trailer parks. I'm surprised this one didn't take a hit.
Oh, Dean got two of those Roncos?
Oh, I guess he does.
Those are nice. I like those Roncos.
He buys and sells things.
Yeah. Doesn't look like too much happened over here. Oh.
Yeah. You're not in the right spot. I smell poop.
Are those lights or is that a fire?
Where?
Back here on this guy's porch. If the power's out, there shouldn't be any lights. Oh, he got lights on in the house.
Oh.
Yeah. Lights. His couch is hanging off his porch.
Yeah.
All the shit in the street. There's light walls in the street. Am I going down this turn? No.
Nah. You see something? All the garbage cans are laying over.
Which way am I going? Going out of the neighborhood?
Yeah, we can do that.
Go across?
Yeah, from where we saw the damage. You know what I mean? So if it was a tornado, then it obviously came across from between here and the railroad tracks. over there, unless they just decided to touch down and tear those people's